Hey, North Carolina panin kan kalme ka ni zan tlai khanin kanau vialite na hey katu pa te hi ka han shwaya an inbula bekang kha kan han la an anwa man tilo de la ka mai ro chu anin sha tha ta wang khanin khalai kan ei khop lek kha chu la kan poi tilawa chu video ka ron da hey lo en ulal ka lo share vele mai mai yang cheu ti chuanin nakina kan kal zel na te kan ron post zel don an ya thank you hey anti vi elite na kan lenga helai fi la hian kan han kal lock don ni hi yeah all this wow it's so cold. Wow, it's so beautiful.
It looks pretty nice this time of day.
Look, you pick these. You pick the soybean. Larsy, come here.
Yes. What are you making these? What are you using for?
Edamame.
Hold on, are you recording this?
Yeah.
This is private property. We're stealing.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
When old farmer
Oh. Rin London's channel. Katute. Bekang kalak tira hey. An nga idan nilaw na samay.
10,000 power. 1,000 subscribers. What you doing picking my beans? I'll let you know. I got 10,000 power and right.
Okay.
He's taking all my beans.
Wow.
How much do you just need us to fill this bag?
Yeah. Whatever you can.
How far do
Bitte
you
se
think
atui lutuk tero. Atui lutuk. Atui lutuk tero. Atui lutuk. Atui lutuk may. Tute nen. Bekang hmunah kan kala hey.
Stop while you're ahead. Quit while you're ahead. Keep going. Everybody knows 99.9.
Nit lak tur chu moi le mai van lung len chak ruai em. It's so cold. Pick it quick. Pick thoai rau pa. Runtea pick thoai rau le. Pick thoai rau. This is called, you know what this is called? Edamame.
What?
This is edamame.
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 I thought it's soybeans.
Edamame is the soybean seeds. Khóa vật tọ khop mấy hay. Ni ta don box si. Khi tho vur ba ka. Hey. Oi. Why are you crawling? Tu te ngai dan chun ni lo via ni hey. Ma se tam ma an in mer sha tha tho hey. Kan han lo zok kan ni hi. Lem te kan ei khop. Here bete.
They live on the right.
Okay. Bị tóc cho cắn lâu chép rõ. So one of the Mizo ladies said to ask if she can buy, buy 100 pounds
100 pounds worth of what?
of soybeans.
Oh,
We're not getting 100 pounds of soybeans.
all the soybeans that you're growing in your garden.
Well,
Yeah, I know.
this is what
All the
this is what.
soybeans. All the soybeans. This is so Farmer Dave.
Do you actually grow soybeans?
In Mizoram, yes. Here, but
What?
in Mizoram, I don't grow here.
How are you growing?
In my garden.
Stuff in Missouri.
They grow soybean and
They grow soybeans in Missouri.
it's called Bekang tero. Can you say Bekang? Bekang. Bekang. So they what they do is they fermented the beans. After they dry it, they cook it, and they ferment it, and it smells very strong. Yeah, let me see you. Okay, pick from this. Okay.
So exciting.
Yeah, soybean. Cắn tóc số cắn lâu chết toang hey. Bekang dan kha min lo sul ula acha ang bekang thang tei nam takin hei hi eng tin nge an ti dan chia kha ka ve ngai mi alowa chu wang chuanin I nakina min lo sul don an ya alo mom via wang khoi mo bit teng zan ngai lo to. Let me see. Oh, okay. Lắm tệ mê nha, khó lên anh run là vết căng anh kia anh harvest trap đó ni hay anh to hay.
Do you sell these?
What?
Do you sell these?
No,
Or is it just like for...
this is just for us to eat. I'm gonna cook and we're gonna make.
Oh, that makes it slightly better, I guess.
Yeah, no, I'm
I
not.
know you sell the stuff in your garden.
I sell my vegetables from my garden, a little bit of it, but not too much. If a little bit there. Okay, vẫn là tắm tóc bên cool. Ông về nuôi tụi.
Gotta keep a lookout for farm.
Okay, are we almost done? Let's see.
However much you want to.
Let me see. Show me.
Is that enough, or you want more?
I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. All right. Hang on 1 second. You stand right there.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, get my phone too.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. So, tell me, what do you think about this soybean field?
Well, it's a great source of free soybeans.
Don't tell anybody. Okay.
Yeah, we actually talked to the farmer. Full disclosure, we spoke to the farmer, and he said we are allowed to pick these soybeans.
Yeah, definitely, yes.
Yeah, we talked to the farmer. We are totally allowed to pick them. Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Absolutely.
You talk to them?
Yep. He came up to us.
Atoy don lutugalam. Tim Trepe. Kua Tim Trepe.